Morning students. Today our topic is Maxwell equation. In part 2, that is chapter 4 and 6 of this text, we mainly concentrate our efforts on electrostatic fields denoted by E of x, y, z. Part 3, chapter 7 and 8 was devoted of magnetostatic fields represented by H of x, y, z. But in this chapter, static or time variant EM fields, we will discuss of EM fields in time variant. Electric and magnetic fields are dynamic or time varying field. It should be mentioned first that static EMF fields, electric and magnetic fields are independent of each other, whereas dynamic EMF fields of two fields are interdependent. That is, in static fields, if you take electrostatic field or magnetostatic field, they are independent to each other. But when it is coming to the time varying field, both are interdependent. A time varying electric field necessarily involve corresponding time varying magnetic fields. Second, time varying EMF fields represented as by E of x, y, z, t. The t is representing here time varying field. Similarly, h of x, y, z, t are more practical value than static EMF fields. So here, electrostatic fields are usually produced by the static electric charges, whereas magnetostatic fields are due to motion of electric charges with uniform velocity. That is direct current or static magnetic charges, magnetic poles. Time varying fields or waves are usually due to accelerated charges or time varying currents such as shown in 9.1 figure. Any pulsed current with produced radiation time varying fields, it is worth nothing that the pulsating current of the type shown in figure 9.p. So hence it is, we can state that stationary charges, static fields, steady currents, magnetostatic fields, time varying currents, electromagnetic fields, that is waves. So here this involved introduction of two major concepts, that is electromotive force based on Faraday's experiments, second displacement current. So first we will see what is Faraday's law. Faraday discovered that induced EMF, VEMF, in any closed circuit is equal to the time rate of change of magnetic flux linkages by the circuit. VEMF is equal to rate of change of flux linkages, where flux linkages is the product of flux number of turns into flux. So here if we take a small experiment, here by this experiment we can say that E is equal to EF plus small e, where EF and EE having opposite direction of battery. So EE is the battery, is opposite to the outside. So here if you apply the line integral in the both sides, then you will get EVMF is equal to line integral of E dot dl, that is I into R. So electrostatic field E cannot be maintained steady current in a closed circuit, since line integral over a closed loop E dot dl is equal to 0, that is IR. An EMF produced field EF is non-conservative. And third, except in electrostatic, voltage and potential difference usually not equivalent. So in this case, if you observed, we have three cases, that is transformer and motional EMF. First one is a transformer and motional EMF. So what is transformer EMF? this is static EMF. VEMF is equal to rate of change of flux linkages. VEMF is equal to line integral E dot dl, which is equal to minus dou B by dou t surface B dot ds. So here, by having a stationary loop in a time varying B field, by having the time varying loop in a static B field, in third case both the fields are varying by having the time varying loop in a time varying B field. Okay, so here first if you take a stationary loop in a time varying B field, that is a transformer EMF. VEMF is equal to line integral B dot dl, which is equal to minus surface integral dou B by dou t into ds. So here if you apply the Stokes theorem for this one, surface integral of del cross E dot ds is equal to minus surface integral dou B by dou t into ds. So if you compare the left hand and right side, then del cross E is equal to minus dou B by dou t. So last chapters we derived as del cross E is equal to 0. But here you are getting del cross E is equal to minus dou B by dou t. What is the difference? There we wrote the equation for static field, that is del cross E is equal to 0. But here del cross E is equal to minus dou B by dou t. That is, if you change the B with respect to the time, then you will get the chance of electric field. So from this derivation, which is nothing but is the static EMF or transformer EMF. This is the Maxwell equation for time varying field. It shows that the time varying E field is not conservative, that is del cross E not equal to 0. This does not imply that the principle of energy conservation are violated. The work done is taking the charge about a closed path in a time varying electric field, for example, is due to energy from the time varying magnetic field. Okay, so finally the Maxwell equation for time varying field del cross E is equal to minus dou B by dou t. So this is the first case.